If you're on the state pension, is it about to collapse? Well, that's the worrying headline from The Telegraph. And you might say the Telegraph right-wing paper in the UK, of course they're going to say it's a Ponzi scheme. What worries me, and actually worries them, is that an aging population means that there's fewer people who are young and in work to pay tax, which would then pay these pensions. But there's a bigger problem. If the UK government had invested more through perhaps a sovereign wealth fund into international companies, or who knows, maybe they could have bought some Microsoft or some Apple or Meta or Costco, Walmart, maybe even some Nvidia, then maybe we'd be a lot better off. If they're looking for a sovereign wealth fund manager, I make myself available. As a hedge fund manager for the last 20 odd years, I sort of know a little bit about the markets. Anyway, have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links, and I hope to speak to you all soon in the new year.